Hi, welcome to the Military Shop. One of our Collector's Corner editions, but also these items will be for sale, so slightly different than normal. And what I wanted to discuss was the 37 pattern equipment water bottle. So most of you, I'm assuming, are familiar with the standard water bottle. It's a felt covered enamel water bottle. Nothing exciting about that. Very available, readily available to collectors and so on. But the variation that we've come across in this collection, we've just bought a collection of home front stuff, and we came across some of the home guard, what we classify as the home guard pattern of water bottle. There may be an actual nomenclature for it, but these are made by the Mills Company in Connecticut in 1943. And if you compare the standard, this type of tin, to the standard one over there, they're very different. They're made of various parts of steel that have been welded on top of each other, or alloy probably, and very different in construction, quite distinctive. A rounded lip on the neck there, and the crimped edge all the way around the top and bottom. And these, when we find them, tend to be issued in a webbing carrier that's got Canadian poppers on it. So there must have been some crossover between who was making what. So Canadian makers mark War Department World War II date. That's dated 43. I'm assuming the webbing's probably from that date as well. So the standard one that we see for this pattern is this thick, wider ribbed material, not like the British 37 pattern webbing at all really, and it's an odd colour. It's a sort of ruby red, sort of dull red colour, with a canvas esque or sort of lightweight tan shoulder strap fastened to it, just hooked around. Now this one is stitched to the 37 pattern equipment, so it's period done, it's not been added later. We have another one over here, came from the same batch, and this one has just been looped through, so that's not been stitched into place. So had we seen that first, we would have probably thought that's just been added, but actually seeing this one where it's stitched, it's quite interesting. And then there's another variant here, that's the same type of slightly shoddier material for the shoulder strap, which we've not straightened yet. But this harness here is more akin to the British 37 pattern webbing, but instead of being in tan, it's sort of almost, again, that reddish colour, indicating that it's sort of not British manufacture. All to a 37 pattern British spec or design. It's similar to the design of the more standard, like that is the more standard British webbing carrier, but just a slightly different variation. Maybe that was the only material they had available at the time, who knows. But an interesting set of variations. This one also has the shoulder strap stitched in place, so it's been done at the time in the factory. So just wanted to show you those. These will be going onto our website very shortly. They're just a more unusual pattern of the water bottle, and if you're a home front collector or you like home guard stuff or Lend-Lease stuff, then these might just be for you. So they'll be on the website shortly. Thanks for watching.